Once endorsed, please watch carefully and apply the correct steps where possible, and you can save this for yourself or share it to others who might need it. You can move on to applying for the visa itself, bringing you one step closer to a thriving career in the UK.
Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to unlock new opportunities and take your career to the next level, the UK Global Talent Visa might be just what you need. In this video, we'll provide a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to apply for the Global Talent Visa in 2024. Whether you're in tech, the arts, academia, or another field, this visa can open doors to amazing possibilities in the UK.
Stay tuned as we cover eligibility criteria, the application process, required documents, and tips to increase your chances of success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest videos. The UK Global Talent Visa is designed to attract highly skilled professionals from around the world. It replaced the Tier 1 Exceptional Talent Visa in 2020 and aims to make the UK a global hub for innovation and creativity. This visa allows you to work in the UK without the need for a job offer, giving you the freedom to advance your career in one of the world's leading economies.
The visa is available to individuals in various fields, including digital technology, science, engineering, medicine, humanities, arts, and culture. The flexibility and opportunities provided by this visa make it an attractive option for many professionals.
To qualify for the Global Talent Visa, you must be a leader or potential leader in your field. Here are the general eligibility criteria. You must be at least 18 years old. You need to be endorsed by an approved endorsing body, such as Tech Nation for tech professionals or the Arts Council England for artists and cultural professionals. You must demonstrate significant contributions or potential to contribute to your field.
Endorsement is a critical part of the application process. Each endorsing body has specific criteria and guidelines that you need to follow. We'll dive deeper into the endorsement process later in this video soon.
Step-by-step guide to applying for endorsement 1. Determine your field and endorsing body: technology, Tech Nation, arts and culture. Arts Council England, academia or research, the British Academy, the Royal Academy of Engineering, the Royal Society, UK Research and Innovation UKRI. Each endorsing body has its specific criteria and process for endorsement. 2. Check the eligibility criteria. General requirements. Be a leader, exceptional talent, or potential leader, exceptional promise in your field. Have significant achievements or contributions recognized internationally for exceptional talent, or show potential for future success for exceptional promise. 3. Prepare your application to colleague Tech Nation. Documents required. Personal statement. Describe your plans in the UK, your career, and why you are applying for the visa. CV. A detailed account of your career and achievements up to 3 pages. Supporting documents. Up to 10 documents evidencing your work, including evidence of your innovation and impact in the digital technology sector, evidence of recognition through awards or significant contributions to your field, evidence of continuous learning and advancements in your career. Recommendation letters. 3 letters of recommendation from recognized experts in your field. Application apply online through the Home Office website or directly via the endorsing body's portal. Double-check all the documents and ensure they meet the required standards. Pay the endorsement fee. Wait for a decision, which typically takes 8 weeks. 5. Await decision. The endorsing body will review your application and make a recommendation to the Home Office. The Home Office will then notify you of the decision. If approved, you can proceed with your visa application. Requirements and tips for a successful endorsement application. General tips. Thorough documentation. Ensure all your documents clearly demonstrate your achievements and potential. Strong recommendation letters. Seek recommendations from well-respected figures in your industry. Clear personal statement. Articulate your plans and how you will contribute to the UK's economy and your field. Meet specific criteria. Tailor your application to meet the specific requirements of your endorsing body. Specific requirements for Tech Nation. Demonstrate significant impact and innovation in the tech sector. Show evidence of recognition and leadership in the digital technology industry. For Arts Council England, evidence of significant contribution to arts and culture. Recognition through awards, media coverage, or exhibitions. For academia or research, quality research work published in reputable journals. Contributions to significant scientific advancements. Applying for endorsement for the UK Global Talent Visa requires careful preparation and documentation. By understanding the specific requirements of your endorsing body and presenting a compelling case for your talent or promise, you can increase your chances of success.
All the necessary links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment.